Today, we are digging into some financial secrets that have literally outlasted empires. We're talking about timeless rules for building wealth that are just as powerful today as they were thousands of years ago. I mean, think about that for a second. It's a pretty wild thought, isn't it? We're always looking for the newest, most complex financial strategy. But what if the real core principles are actually way, way older and a lot simpler than we imagine? So, let's go way back in time. Picture it. You're in ancient Babylon, the wealthiest city on the planet, gold and grandeur everywhere. But even in this paradise of riches, people were asking the exact same question we ask today. How is it that in a world with so much opportunity, some people build incredible fortunes while others just can't seem to get ahead? And look, this wasn't just some small question they were pondering. It was the central economic puzzle of their time. And believe it or not, the answers they found hold the keys to our own financial success right now. Now, the person who finally cracked this code wasn't a king or some powerful noble. Nope, it was a guy named Arcad, and he started out as just a simple scribe. He figured out the fundamental laws of money and became an absolute legend, not just for his wealth, but because he was willing to teach everyone else's secrets. So, what was his first secret? Well, it's an idea that is so profoundly simple, yet it's the foundation for all wealth. That's it. That is the bedrock principle. Before you pay your landlord, before you buy food, before you do anything else, you pay yourself. This is a complete 180 from how most people handle their money. Arcad made it super concrete. Start with 10%. And just to be clear, this isn't about saving whatever's left over at the end of the month. No way. This is about making saving the very first non-negotiable bill you pay with every single dollar you earn. And this right here shows you two completely different ways of thinking. The common path, it's all reactive. Money comes in, and boom, it immediately flows right back out to expenses, leaving nothing for you. But the Babylonian path, it's proactive. You secure your own future first, and then you figure out how to live on the rest. It's such a tiny shift in order, but it makes a world of difference. But this first law has a very powerful enemy: lifestyle inflation. As you start to earn more money, it's just so easy to start spending more. A bigger apartment, a fancier car. Arcad's big warning was to learn the difference between your real needs and your wants. Getting a handle on that urge is the only way to make sure that 10% actually sticks around and grows. Okay, so you've started saving your gold. That's a huge first step. But just having a pile of coins sitting there isn't going to make you wealthy by itself. The second law is all about putting that gold to work. I absolutely love the way the Babylonians thought about this. Every single coin you save is like a little worker. Your job is to send that worker out into the world to earn more. And those earnings, which they call children, they become workers themselves, creating this ever-growing army of income for you. It's basically their ancient way of describing the magic of compound growth. Now here's the crucial part. Multiplying your gold isn't about gambling. It's not about taking wild risks. It's about making smart, informed decisions. Arcad saw so many people lose everything they'd saved by chasing these crazy schemes that promise the world overnight. The lesson is truly timeless. Seek out wisdom, do your homework, and always, always protect your capital. This brings us to the third law, which honestly might just be the most powerful of them all. And it's not about your money, it's about you. This is a total game changer. Your savings, your investments, they're all incredibly important. But the engine that drives the whole thing is your ability to generate income in the first place. The more valuable your skills are, the more you can earn, and the faster you can build real wealth. So how do you actually do that? You actively work to become better at what you do. It means learning new skills that people need, becoming an expert in your field. When you make yourself genuinely valuable, opportunities don't just randomly appear. They start seeking you out. This is the one investment that has a nearly infinite return. So, you see, when you put all these ancient laws together, they don't just give you vague ideas. They create a clear, powerful roadmap that really anyone can follow. All right, let's bring it all together. The Babylonian roadmap to wealth is built on 3 core rules. First, pay yourself first. Second, make your money multiply. And third, grow your own skills so you can earn even more. And all of that is supported by controlling your spending, protecting what you've built, and being ready to jump on opportunities when they come. It's a simple formula, but that doesn't mean it's easy. And that really brings us to the final, most important question.
These aren't just cool historical lessons. They're actionable rules for your life right now. Whether it's setting up that automatic 10% transfer to savings, or researching a smart new investment, or maybe signing up for a course to learn a new skill, the path always starts with one single step. So, what's yours going to be?